Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, age problem. Pero bakit walang numbers at all? Paano intindihin? Let's draw so that to help us to understand. So, sinabi niyang the sum of the current ages of two individuals is S. Kunya, o si A tsaka si B yun. So, kung ito yung age ni A, ito yung age ni B, pinagsama mo silang dalawa, S. So, N years from now, ano mangyari? That means each of A and B will grow old by N years.
Yes.
Okay? Be careful with that, ha? Pareha silang tatanda. Okay?
Okay.
So that tells us that si A, aside from dito, madadagdagan ka na ng N years. Si B, madadagdagan din ng N years. Ano na ngayon ang sum ng ages nila? Diba? S is already the sum of these two. So, dagdag ka ng N, dagdag ka ng N. So, magiging S plus N plus N. So, therefore, the answer here is S plus
2N.
2N. Yun lang. Tapos na. Gets mo ba?
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung ufkat.